This is an oil cleanser that can be used as a makeup remover, sunscreen remover, or as your regular face cleanser. It has an oil texture that feels as smooth as silk on the skin, but in contact with water, it emulsifies slightly so that it dissolves easily, leaving no residue on the skin. To use it, just add a few pumps of product into the palm of your hands, rub them together and then spread it evenly all over your face and massage gently in circular motions. You can also use a gentle wiping motion over your eyes to dissolve eye makeup, including waterproof mascara. You'll see that all makeup melts off effortlessly. You can either rinse it off with water or you may use a damp cloth to gently wipe it away. The product is delicately scented with a blend of botanical ingredients that have a relaxing and soothing aroma, which make using the product an even more pleasant experience. The Great Cleanse is a favorite of renowned estheticians, including Carolyn Harrens, and it's used in the back bar of Four Seasons and Miraval spas.